Hey everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our car care organizer bag. You'll be the talk of the show when they see you toting your favorite products in this baby. Whether on your shelf, in your trunk, or at a show, this bag will keep all of your car care favorites organized and ready for action. It's made of tough 600 denier nylon and features two convenient options for carrying: a removable and adjustable strap and a sturdy yet comfortable padded handle. The main compartment easily fits our 3-inch and 6-inch random orbitals and contains elastic accessory straps as well as 4 smaller mesh pockets to secure smaller detailing tools such as brushes or 8-ounce bottles. And if you turn the bag around and open this flap, you'll find the perfect spot to tuck away pads and towels, keeping them clean and out of harm's way. On the outside of the bag, there are even more storage solutions to make your life easier. On the front, there are 4 mesh pockets that can accommodate any of our 8 or 16-ounce bottles. These pockets have an elastic band along the top to hold your bottles snugly into place, even if the bag were to tip over, which is highly unlikely due to the feet on the bottom that increase the stability of the bag. There are also 2 flat mesh pockets on either side, perfect for car show calendars and a Griot's catalog to share with your friends. As if you need more reasons to add this bag to your arsenal, there are also 2 hook and loop straps along the top edges, perfect to secure an extension cord so you'll be ready to detail your ride anywhere there's a power outlet. From time to time, we get questions from customers who are trying to put their car care organizer bag together. It's a simple process. Let me show you how it's done. Your bag comes with the handle, the top flap, and the assembly hardware, and the only tools you'll need are a Phillips number 2 and a 10mm socket or adjustable wrench. So we're going to start by installing the middle shelf. I'm going to flip the bag here so you can kind of see. What I like to do is grab these Velcro flaps. There's one here, and there's 2 on this side on the inside that you just want to kind of fold against that shelf. Slide it down into place so that these snaps are going to line up with these. And then go ahead, lift the bag up and firmly press them into place. Once you've got those installed, go ahead and secure the hook and loop attachments here. Then we're going to take this bottom shelf, fold it up, line the snaps up, and snap those into place. And go ahead and fold that up. Now we're going to take these screws and slide them into the pre-punched holes here. And we're going to take the handle, slide that onto the screws on this end, and just get the nut started, threaded on there. Then we'll take the 10mm and the Phillips and go ahead and tighten these screws. And once we've tightened those screws all the way, all there's left to do is take the top cover and line up these little hook and loop patches with the ones on the bag. And that's that. Thank you for watching. For more information on the car care organizer bag, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.